If I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I had the meat. This ground meat also happened to be bison ground meat. You can use beef. Any red meat would do. I had a tomato, which I'm going to make my sauce. I have a Roma tomato also to make it thicker, my sauce. Bunch of garlic, about 10 teeth. A little bit of cilantro. I'm going to cut some of it. Onions, I'm going to chop some. Thyme, black pepper. I also have some parsley, Italian. Of course, salt. And some fettuccine. And that's the main ingredients for now. And you're also going to need a red bell pepper. I'm going red because of the sweetness and the taste. I don't use that canned stuff. I go natural. So what you're going to do is you're going to grind this baby. A tomato. Make it 100% natural. See? Get the proper knife. And cut your Roma tomatoes into chunks. So you cut the pepper. I always go halfway first. And get the amount that you need. You don't need a lot. It's near enough. Onion part, very easy. For the ground meat, which is bison, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, a few drops. It's bison, it's very lean, so I'm going to add some juices, you know. A little bit of oil. I'm going to add some salt. Generous amount. Some thyme. And then I'm going to mince some garlic. This is the gist of this. You're going to need a little bit more perhaps. Even the chunk goes there. You're going to mix everything. Add the pepper. So preheat your pot. This is a small one, relatively small. Ooh, a little bit of this stuff there. Add some extra virgin olive oil. Not a lot, but enough to flat cover the surface area. Add the onions, the pepper, the Roman tomatoes. I'm going to add the garlic, which I chop. Some of the cilantro. Thyme, fresh. If you have it dry, that's fine. But I go fresh. Ooh, smells delicious. Smells delicious. I move things around a little bit. I didn't mention this earlier because this is kind of optional. Vinegar. I like to add a couple cups. I mean, everybody has vinegar, right? Parsley. You can go fresh. You can go dry. I'm going dry. And then we're going to add tomato. I'm making it thick, by the way. You can add some salt now. And add some black pepper. Then you grab a little bit more garlic. This one is not chopped, this is like totally minced. Let this baby cook. I reduce it to medium low. You know, a couple notches below medium. If you feel that your sauce is a little bit light and you don't like it because of visuals, I like it. But you have the option of using regular paprika, not the smoked one, but the regular one. Just put a little bit. That adds some nice color while preserving the flavor. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Mix things around. Let it cook for a while. Now, instead of the cilantro, you could have gone like traditional Italian with Italian parsley. But I choose the cilantro this time around because I wanted to change the taste of the sauce by adding some parameters to it. You know, kind of change the essence of the taste a little bit. As the sauce cooks, I have a cast iron pan, relatively small, preheated, medium, couple notches about medium. Add some salt now. The way this baby's hot. And I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the meat. Bison, but you can use beef. Let's go red meat, right? As it cooks, make sure you break it down. You don't want huge chunks. These are not meatballs. Just break it down. See? See how broke down it is? It smells delicious. And this is not going to take you a long time. Maybe 5 minutes, if that. So it's been about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I reduced the heat to a notch or so above low. I'm not done yet, just reducing the heat. See how thick it is already? But I'm not done yet. Water is boiling. Put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. Few drops. This is actually empty now. I just put a few drops right away. And as you fettuccine. Fettuccine is ready. Let me move it out of the way. I have to take it out here and drain it. In the meantime, it's been about 40-45 minutes for the sauce. And now come the cool stuff. I'm going to transfer some of the meat here. Whatever you want. I'm going to mix it up. See how beautiful. And then still a couple of notches above low. Now if you want to add some water to make it a little bit more saucy, just grab a little bit from the one from the spaghettis. Get the starch that came out. That way it remains thickened. Just a little bit. Add it to it. I'm going to let it cook for about another 5 minutes.